Tagalog grammar lesson, verb prefix, makipag. Makipag is used to express voluntary or reciprocal interaction with another person or group. Makipag. If the prefix makipag is attached to a root word, it forms a verb that suggests doing something with someone or engaging in a shared activity, often involving social interaction, communication, cooperation, or even conflict. Here's our first makipag verb. Makipag-usap. The root word usap means talk or discussion. So makipag-usap means to talk with someone. Makipag-usap. Makipaglaro. Laro is game. So makipaglaro means to play with someone. Makipaglaro. Makipagkita. Meaning, to meet up with someone. Makipagkita. Makipagkaibigan. To become friends with someone. Makipagkaibigan. Makipag-away. To fight or quarrel with someone. Makipag-away. Makipagbati. To reconcile or to make peace with someone. Makipagbati. Makipagtalo. To argue with someone. Makipagtalo. Makipagkwentuhan. The root word here is kwento, meaning story. So, makipagkwentuhan means to have a conversation or to have a chit-chat with someone. Makipagkwentuhan. Makipagpustahan. To place a bet or wager with someone. Makipagpustahan. Makipag-inuman. To drink alcohol socially with others. Makipag-inuman. Makipagbiruan. To joke around or to playfully tease others. Makipagbiruan. Makipagrelasyon. To be in a relationship. Makipagrelasyon. Makipaghiwalay. To break up with someone or to separate from someone. Makipaghiwalay. Makipagkasundo. To reach an agreement or to make peace with someone. Makipagkasundo. Makipagsuntukan. To get into a fist fight. Makipagsuntukan. Makipagtulungan. To cooperate or help each other. Makipagtulungan. Makipag-unahan. To race against someone or to compete in being first. Makipag-unahan. Makipagsabayan. To keep up with or to go along with. Makipagsabayan. Makipaghabulan. To engage in a chase. Makipaghabulan. Makipagpalitan. To exchange something with someone. Makipagpalitan. Makipagsiksikan. To squeeze through or to push through a crowd. Makipagsiksikan. Makipag-agawan. To scramble over or to fight over something. Makipag-agawan. Makipagbuno. To wrestle or struggle physically. Makipagbuno. Makipagkulitan. To playfully tease or be silly with someone. Makipagkulitan. Makipagtawanan. To laugh together with others. Makipagtawanan. Makipagbatuhan. To engage in a throwing fight, like with a stone or snowball. Makipagbatuhan. Makipagbalyahan. To jostle or bump into others. Makipagbalyahan. Makipaglamay. To attend a wake. Makipaglamay. Makipaglibing. To attend a funeral or burial. Makipaglibing. Now you know the most common makipag verbs in Tagalog. We'll have another lesson on how to conjugate these new words so you can use them to describe shared actions in the present, past, and future tenses. Salamat po.